Welcome. I am Subhashini and this session is on the introduction to the analytics maturity model. Analytics offers immense value, but organizations differ in how effectively they use data. The analytics maturity model provides a structured framework for assessing current capabilities and guiding future growth. It typically progresses through 5 exciting stages. Stage 1. Initial ad hoc stage data is scattered across systems. Reports are manually prepared and often inconsistent. Decisions are mostly based on experience and gut feeling. Example: different regional offices tracking sales separately in Excel without standardization. Stage 2. Developing analytics stage with standard reporting, standardized reports and dashboards emerge. Focus is mainly on descriptive analytics to answer what happened and when did it happen. Data warehouses begin to consolidate information. Example: monthly national sales report with visual dashboards showing sales by region and city. Stage 3. Defined analytics process stage with diagnostic and predictive analytics. Analytics expands to diagnostic and predictive capabilities. A strong analytics team emerges. Leaders become adept at understanding these analytics outcomes. Correlation, regression, and forecasting models are applied. Multiple functions in the company, such as sales, supply chain, and R&D, begin using analytics systematically. Example: using regression analysis to forecast demand for respiratory drugs in flu season. Stage 4. Managed analytics with a dedicated team and enterprise. Wide analytics stage. Analytics becomes an enterprise-wide function with governance. Prescriptive models guide decision-making. Cross-functional collaboration improves outcomes. Example: integrated analytics guiding marketing spend allocation, clinical trial recruitment, and manufacturing schedules simultaneously. Stage 5. Optimized analytics stage. Data-driven culture is seen in the organization. Analytics and AI are embedded in daily workflows. Decision-making is proactive, automated, and continuously improved. Culture shifts to data first. Example: AI-driven platforms continuously monitoring trial data, predicting patient adherence, and alerting regulators in real time. Why the maturity model matters for Glenmark and other companies. Understanding the maturity model helps identify where the organization stands today. Some departments may be in stage 1, while others can be in stage 2 or 3. What is your view? Build a roadmap toward higher levels of analytics maturity. Ensure investments in tools, talent, and governance align with long-term goals. Create a culture where data-driven decision-making becomes the norm across R&D, sales, operations, and finance. Pharma-specific applications show the transformative power of analytics, from reducing drug development timelines to ensuring global patient safety. However, unlocking this value requires an analytics maturity journey, where organizations evolve from scattered reporting to fully data-driven decision-making. Stay tuned for more about pharma analytics in this channel.